Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from your Android phone to your PC wirelessly, no USB cable needed. First, on your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Search for Wi-Fi FTP server. Install the app and open it. Then, tap Start. If you see a message asking for permission, tap Allow access to manage all files. Once done, go back to the main screen. A pop-up will appear asking for access. Tap Allow. Now you'll see important connection details like FTP address, port number, username, password. Take a screenshot or keep the app open. You'll need these details on your PC. On your PC, click the Start button and search for this PC, then open it. Right-click on any blank area and select Add a network location. Click Next. Choose a custom network location, then click Next again. Now enter the FTP address exactly as shown on your phone. Click Next. Uncheck Log On anonymously. Then enter the username exactly as shown on your phone. Click Next. For the network location name, just leave it as default and click Next. Finally, click Finish. If asked, enter the password exactly as shown on your phone, then click Log On. Now you're connected. Your Android phone storage will appear in File Explorer. To transfer a file, just copy it from your phone and paste it anywhere on your PC. And that's it. You successfully transferred files from your Android phone to your PC without using any cable. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.